Genesis G70. Design. Interior. Performance. Transmission. Drivetrain. Comfort and convenience. The Genesis G70 is a compact luxury sedan produced by the South Korean automaker Genesis, which is the luxury vehicle division of Hyundai Motor Group. It was first introduced in 2017 and has since gained recognition for its stylish design, high-quality interior, advanced technology, and strong performance. Here are some key features and details about the Genesis G70. Design. Exterior. The G70 features a sleek and sporty design with a distinctive front grille, sharp lines, and a dynamic stance. It often includes LED headlights and taillights, as well as various alloy wheel options. Interior. Inside, the G70 offers a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, real wood, and metal accents. The design emphasizes driver comfort and ergonomics. Performance. Engine options. The G70 typically offers multiple engine options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 and a more powerful 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6. The V6 engine, in particular, provides impressive acceleration and performance. Transmission. It usually comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission, with some markets offering a manual transmission option for driving enthusiasts. Drivetrain. Both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations are available, catering to different driving preferences and conditions. Technology and features. Infotainment system. The G70 is equipped with a modern infotainment system that includes a touchscreen display, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. Driver assistance. Advanced safety and driver assistance features are a highlight, with options such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Comfort and convenience. Features like heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, dual-zone climate control, and a sunroof enhance the overall driving experience. Awards and recognition. The Genesis G70 has received several awards and accolades since its launch, including being named the 2019 North American Car of the Year. Its combination of luxury, performance, and value has been well received by automotive critics and consumers alike. Market position. The G70 competes with other compact luxury sedans such as the BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and Lexus IS. It aims to provide a compelling alternative with its competitive pricing and strong feature set. Overall, the Genesis G70 is known for offering a well-rounded package that blends luxury, technology, and performance in an attractive and stylish sedan.